Hello everyone, I am Santosh Sangle. I am working as an assistant professor at KK Wag Institute of Engineering Education and Research Nasik. I am preparing this video for the capstone project submission of a IUCEE course on online teaching. So the objective of this video is to explore the usage of Moodle platform for subject operation research for BE production, and second objective is to know the different aspect of a Moodle platform or Moodle LMS. So let us start. I have created the course website for my course from the genomio.com. So I have entered URL, email address and selected language, and after that I have created the website as or@sbsangle.genomio.com. When I click on the login, this dashboard will open. So in this dashboard you can see here the self-registration tab for the student has been activated. So when student visit this website first time, they can self-register themselves by creating the new account. So when I enter the credentials as a username and password, this particular dashboard will get open. So in this dashboard, the course 411083, that is the operation research, has been created. So when I click on the course, there are total 93 participants have been enrolled for this particular course. So you can see the different participants from this particular tab. So there are 92 students and one co-teacher has been enrolled for this particular course. So we can see the co-teacher by applying the filter. So he is a non-editing teacher, so apply the filters. So Professor Anil Mandlik is the co-teacher for this particular course. This course is divided into 6 units, from unit number 0 to unit number 6. So in the unit number 0, the course outline has been uploaded. In the course outline, there is a commencement date as well as the department vision, department mission, and the course objective. That is, after successful completion of this course, student will able to. So CO1 to CO6 has been uploaded. After that, in the unit number 0, the syllabus and exam scheme for this subject has been uploaded. Though in the first table this exam scheme has been uploaded, and in the next page the prerequisite for this particular subject as well as the course objective, outcomes, as well as the detailed syllabus has been uploaded. The textbook and reference book also given to the student for the reference. After that, the operation research lab, details of the operation research lab has been also uploaded on this particular file. After that, the timetable of online lectures or meeting hours has been uploaded on this particular platform. So I will take the operation research live lecture on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, as well as I will taking the one extra activity of this for this particular subject, that is the quiz or open book test on every Saturday. So the timetable for the extra activity as well as the timetable for the online lectures has been uploaded on this particular website. After that, in the unit number 1, so the unit number 1, the self-study videos has been uploaded. There are 3 videos have been uploaded. So you can see the first video. So when this particular video has been embedded into this particular system. After that, one video which is created by me and which already uploaded on the YouTube has also been embedded in this particular platform. So you can see this particular video. One recorded lectures has been uploaded on this to the student. That is the recording of a OR lecture of 7 July 2020 has been uploaded. One quiz is float to the student. So quiz having the questions which is selected from the question bank, which is uploaded on this particular Moodle platform, and the quiz is generated from this particular question bank. So when I click on the continue the last attempt, this particular quiz will get open. One discussion forum on the application of operation research has been floated to the student. and this is the graded discussion forum. We will see in the grade section. The notes of the first unit number 1, that is the PPTs of a unit number 1 has been uploaded to the student. One assignment number 1 has been given to the student on the linear programming. So this assignment having the total 92 students are there. So 43 students have been submitted this particular assignment, and there needs to be 27 students have to remains to be grading. So we will see the grading or assignment of this student. So this is the assignment of a first student. So I have marked, annotate on the assignment to give the marks. So this is the particular assignment, and this is the rubrics for the giving the marks, that is for the timely completion, for the understanding of the assignment, and for the presentation and clarity. After that I also given the audio feedback to the student from this particular platform. So this is a different student have been graded from this particular platform. This is the attendance record of on OR live lectures. So I have created the folder to maintain the attendance record, and I also taken the feedback from the student on the unit number 1 teaching. So this feedback has been floated to the student, and the student have been answered the feedback questions. So we can see the analysis. So there are the subject matter presented to in the course has been increased your knowledge level. So student have been given the feedback as the strength as a very good knowledge of the subject and a very fast teaching. So these are the some feedbacks are given by the student. After that we will see the grades of a student. So this is the student number 1 having the assignment number 1 is already graded, and he got the 18 marks, as well as the he does not attempted the group discussion forum. After that mid-sem exam also conducted on this particular platform, but this is to be remains to be graded. This particular student does not attempted the quiz, and the course total is 18. So this is the grading of a student. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you IUCEE for providing me this opportunity. So if you have any question related to this video, you can contact me at sbsangle@kkvac.edu.in. Please subscribe my channel and like this video.